Let's make a compound butter. With compound butters, you can put them on any meat, so chicken or seafood. They go really good over vegetables. And honestly, I put it on everything. I'll even put it on bread and toast it in the air fryer. So what is a compound butter? A compound butter is a butter that's mixed with seasonings and herbs and just everything great. So in this one, I put roasted garlic, tons of seasoning, shallots, dill, parsley, obviously butter, and I just kind of mixed everything together. It has lemon zest and freshly squeezed lemon. And the whole essence of this is once you make the butter, what I do, as you can see here, is I just roll it in a log and freeze it. Anytime I want some compound butter, I really just slice it off and put it over anything I'm cooking. So this I put over the veggies.